Here I have FOSSIBOT F101, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So firstly, let's go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button hotspot. So by tap on it once, you can switch your hotspot. By holding your finger on, you can access some of its settings. Here you can display QR code to instantly connect to it. Here you can change its name. Here you can change its security protocol. Here you can change its password. Here you can set it to turn off automatically when no devices are connected, and you can also extend compatibility. Helps other devices find this hotspot, reduces hotspot connection speed. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.